everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem Java operators relational set 2. So I hope you are ready for the session. First let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given two numbers A and B. We need to check if A is greater than B, then we need to print that A is greater than B. If A is less than B, then we need to print that A is less than B. And if A is equal to B, then we need to print that A is equal to B. So basically we just need to apply if-else condition using the relational operators in Java. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school. Okay. After this, find the problem Java operators relational set 2. Okay. Once you find the problem, click on solve. Okay. So let's solve the problem. Here is the question. Given two numbers, you will have to check whether the first number is greater than or less than or equals to the second number. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding the answer over here. Okay. So let's do that. Let's start. So basically it is simple if else, right? So if A is less than B, okay, then what would happen? Then enter. Let's add some space. Now I need to write system dot out dot print ln, okay, and then circular brackets, 1 minute, capital A, okay, after this plus, okay, space, quotes over here, 1 minute, I need to remove space, okay, is, 1 minute, it should be in small, is less than, okay, is less than space, then space, not space, plus B, okay. This is the first one. Now the next one is else if, right? Else if A is greater than B, okay? Then what would happen? Let's move forward to that. What you can do is you can just directly copy this statement, okay? And you can come here and 1 minute, paste it. And over here I would write more than, okay? So I would just write more than, greater than basically. Let's write greater than, okay. Now last one is else, okay, else, okay, then else, same thing, okay. Now over here in else I would write equals, okay, I would write equal to, equal, okay, then over here it would be 2, right? So I hope the question is clear to you and you are clear how I wrote the solution. Now I need to check if it is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. There is an error. Let's check out the error. 1 minute. There is an error. Okay, I forgot to add the semicolon. 1 minute. Semicolons are important. 1 minute. I just need to add one here, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, and now compile and run. Okay, the compilation is completed. And my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, let's see. It's taking some time. Let's wait. Okay. Okay, the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem. Java operators, relational operators we are using basically set 2, right? I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.